Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Noorul Binti Idris. Today I would like to explain to you what is Information System Services. So let's proceed to the next video. So, do you know what is Information System? Let me tell you that information system is the collection of technical and human resources that provide the storage, computing, distribution and communication for the information required by all or some part of enterprise. A special form of information system is a management information system called as MIS, which provide information for managing an enterprise. We go to information services. So, what is information services? Let me tell you that information services is a common name for an organization within an enterprise that is responsible for its data processing and information system or systems. Okay, there are 5 types of information system, which is the first one is transaction processing system, second one is management information system, third one is decision support system, fourth is expert system and neutral network, and lastly, number 5 is office automation systems. For transaction processing system, a transaction processing system provide a way to collect, process, store, display, modify or cancel the transactions. Most of these systems allow multiple transactions to make place simultaneously. The data that the system collects is usually stored in database, which can be used to produce reports as billing, wages, inventory summaries, manufacturing schedules, or check register. For the second type, which is management information system. Okay, the system is an information system that uses the data collected by transaction processing system and uses this data to create reports in a way to managers can use it to make routine business decisions in response to the problems. Some of the reports that this information system creates are summary, inspection, and ad hoc reports. All this is done to increase the efficiency of managerial activity. We go to the third type of the information system, which is decision support system. Okay, the system helps make decisions by working and analyzing the data that can generate statistical projection and data models. This system gives support and rather than replacing a manager's judgment while improving the quality of manager decision. A decision support system solves problems while using external data. For expert system and neutral networks, okay, an expert system, also known as a knowledge-based system, is a computer system that are designed to analyze data and produce recommendations, diagnoses, and decisions that are controlled. For a new system uses computer to foster the way a human brain may process information, learn and remember it. Lastly is office automation system, called as OAS. Okay, this system tries to improve the efficiency of employees who need to process data and information. The best example is the wide range of software systems that exist to improve the productivity of employees functioning in an office. For example, is Microsoft Office XP, or a system that allows personnel to work from home or while on the move. Another good example will be Salesforce system, which a ticketing system used to process IT information in the office and on the go. Okay, next we go to the advantage of this topic. The first one is communication. With the help of information technologies, the instant messaging, email, voice and video calls become quicker, cheaper and much efficient. Second is globalization and cultural gap. By implementing information systems, we can bring down the linguistic, geographical, and some cultural boundaries. Sharing the information, knowledge, communication, and relationship between different countries, language, and cultures become much easier. Next is availability. Okay, information system has made it possible for businesses to be open 24/7 all over the globe. This means that a business can be open anytime, anywhere, making purchases from different countries easier and more convenient. It also means that you can have your good delivery right to your doorstep with having to move a single muscle. Other than that is creation of new types of jobs. Okay, one of the best advantage of information system is the creation of new and interesting jobs. Computer programmers, system analyzer, hardware and software developers, and web designers are just some of the many new employment opportunities created with the help of IT. Lastly is cost effectiveness and productivity. The information service application promotes more efficient operation of the company and also improve the supply of information to decision makers. By applying such systems can also play an important role in helping companies to put greater emphasis on information technology in order to gain a competitive advantage. This information system has a positive impact on productivity. However, there are some frustrations can be faced by system users which are directly linked to lack of training and poor system performance because of the system spread. Okay, now we go to the disadvantage of this topic, which is the first one is unemployment and lack of job security. Implementing an information system can save a great deal of time during completion of tasks and some labor mechanic works. Most paperwork can be processed immediately. Financial transactions are automatically calculated. As technology improves, tasks that were formerly performed by human employees are now carried out by computer system. For example, automated telephone answering system have replaced live receptionists in many organizations, or online and personal assistants can be good example also. Industry experts believe that the internet has made a job security a big issue as since technology keeps on changing with each day. This means that one has to be in a constant learning mood if he or she wishes for the job to be secure. Second disadvantage is dominant culture. While information technology may have made the world a global village, it will also contribute to one culture dominating another weaker one. For example, there is now argued that US influenced how most younger teenagers all over the world now act, dress, and behave. Languages too have become overshadowed, with English becoming the primary mode of communication for business and everything else. Okay, next is security issues. Thieves and hackers get access to identify and corporate saboteurs target sensitive company data. Such data can include vendor information, credit cards, intellectual properties, and personal data on company management. The hackers distribute the information over the internet, sell to the rival companies, or use it to damage the company's image. For example, several retail chains were targeted recently by hackers who stole customer information from their information system and distribute social security numbers and credit card data over the internet. And the last one is implementation expenses. To integrate the information system, it's required pretty good amount of cost in the case of software, hardware, and people. Software, hardware, and some other services should be retained, bulk, and support. Employees need to be trained with unfamiliar information technology and software. Okay, that's it for today about the information system services. I hope you all enjoying this video and don't forget to like. Thank you.